everyone, Coach Toe here. Today's workout is going to be all about the squats and working that rear. We'll start with a little warm-up and then get right into the intervals. And from here, we'll turn our hips just a little to the side. This hand will float up, this hand will follow underneath. Rotate the hips, not the arms. Take a step together. Switch the hands, rotate to the other side, step apart, step together. Make a hook with this hand by bringing the fingertips together. Take a step out, and this hand will come up and out for single whip. This hand will drop, come down, and back around, and single whip. Nice deep breath in, and out. Drop the hook, switch your hands, step out, switch the hands, step together, and this is wave hands like clouds. Step apart, step together, hook on this side, take that step out, and single whip. Nice deep breath in, and out. Nice deep breath in, and out. Drop that hook. Rotate. Wave hands like clouds. Back to center. And sink the chi. Nice deep breath in. And out. Alright, let's get these intervals started. So we're going to do 1 minute intervals and we're going to start with just regular squats, down and up. Make sure that you keep your back straight and don't lean forward like this. You want to keep your head up, looking forward. Alright, let's get started. And squats. Nice deep breath in and out. You can have your hands out in front of you like this. You can have your hands on your hips. You can have your hands on the back of your head. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. And if you start to have to lean forward to get this squat, that's as low as you should go. Even if it's just to here. You know, it doesn't have to be a super deep squat. Just do what you can with good form. Almost there, 5 seconds. And now we are going to do jump squats. So we're going to squat, jump, and come back down, landing soft. Let's go. Remember, land soft so that you don't hurt your knees. Keep breathing. And it doesn't have to be a super high jump. Stay with me. Keep breathing. Just a little off the ground and land soft. So you're landing in that squat. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. You're almost there. Five seconds. And now we're going to do squats with leg lifts. We're going to squat, bring the leg up, touch to the elbow. Let's go. Up, touch to the elbow. If you can't quite get there, just do what you can. Nice deep breath in and out. Let's go. Keep breathing. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. You can do it. And remember, we're still keeping our head up and our back as straight as we can. And alright. So next is going to be sumo squats. We're going to take a wider stance, point our toes out a little, and down, and up. Let's go. Nice deep breath in, and out. So we're in a wider stance here, and our toes are pointed out. Salute. Nice deep breath in, and out. And again, hand placements are the same. It can be, your hands can be on your hips. They can be at your chest. They can be behind your head. Keep breathing. Stay with me. And this one's working some of your inner thighs here. Almost there. Now we're going to do squat pulse. So we're going to come down and squat, come up just a little, and stay there. All right, let's go. This is really going to burn your thighs. Stay with me. Keep breathing. Nice deep breath in and out. Feeling that burn in the thighs. In and out. All right. Back to regular squats. Let's go. Nice deep breath in and out. There, don't lean over. Keep breathing. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. And jump squats. Let's go. Nice deep breath in and out. It's not going to be too hot. Push your middle and soft. Keep breathing. Nice deep breath in and out. In and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. All right, and squats with leg lifts. Let's go. Just lift your leg as high as you can. Nice deep breath in and out. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. And sumo squats. Wider stance, toes out. Let's go. Nice deep breath in and out. Nice deep breath in and out. In and out. Stay with me. You can do it. 5 seconds. All right, squat pulse. Stay with me. Nice deep breath in and out. In and out. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. You can do it. Five seconds. And up. All right, you've earned a cool down. So let's take a nice deep breath in and out. And now come up and over that moon. Back up to the heart space and release. Back up and over, like sinking the chi. Back up to the heart space, make a diamond shape with your fingers and press it out. We're sharing the heart. Nice deep breath in and out. And at the bottom, cross the wrists up and over, and let's close the door. Nice deep breath in and out. Nice deep breath in and out. And the hands fall back down by the sides, one foot steps in, two palms together, and a little bow.